So telephonic conversation starts.
Yes. Yeah.
So first we greet. We can say, hey.
Hi. Hello.
हाँ. Usual terms ये. उसके बाद you wish that person good morning, good afternoon, good evening. हे वाली बात आप अपने दोस्तों से ही करोगे. कैसे कर सकते हो? शिवम, अपने दोस्त को किसी भी तरह हे बोल के विश करो. कैसे करके बोलोगे?
हाय, हेलो.
हाँ, फिर उससे सोचो आप अपने जिगरी दोस्त से बात कर रहे हो, तो कैसे बात करोगे?
हाय, हेलो. हाउ आर यू?
हाउ आर यू? ओके, हाउ आर यू? ठीक है. नेक्स्ट हम लोग क्या करते हैं? नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज, यूजुअली दीज आर द रूल्स. यू हैव टू ग्रीट, इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ, फाइंड द टाइम अवेलेबिलिटी. उसका मतलब वो इंसान आपसे बात करने के लिए राजी है कि नहीं. तो वो आप कैसे करोगे? अभी हिना विल डू दिस.
Are you free for the are you free for the sometimes? Can I talk with you?
अच्छा, ठीक है. एक मिनट. We will try to use any one of the sentence. Okay. So you give me a call, Hina. I will pick up, and then you talk. Ask my time. I am available or not. Tring, 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 tring. Hello. Now say. Introduce yourself and then say. मतलब समझ में आया? आपने मेरे को फोन किया और आप मेरे से पूछो, कोई एक वर्ड यहाँ से लेकर, एक सेंटेंस लेकर मुझसे बातें करो. हेलो. Hina, there is little some network issue. I cannot hear you.
Hello. Do I have a minute?
Yeah. Can I? Do
Hello?
you have a minute? Yes.
Do you have a minute? Are you free to talk?
Are you free to talk to me? Very good. Yes. Yes, of course, Hina. I'm always free to talk to you. Achha,
Okay.
somebody, we have to ask, may I know who is this? So yes, very good. Yes. That one is, I of course, I left that part. So hi, I am. This is, now when you introduce yourself, hello, are you busy? Can I talk to you? Then we try to, पहले पूछ तो ले वो इंसान मेरे से बात करेगा कि नहीं, उसके बाद अपने आप परिचय देते हैं. उसने पूछ ही लिया कि आप कौन बोल रहे हो, तब ठीक है, अपना बोल देंगे. अगर नहीं पूछा, पहले पूछ लो कि मैं ये हूँ, are you free that time? उसके बाद as somebody is saying that we will ask, if you don't know, सामने वाला फोन तो उठा लिया लेकिन आपको पता ही नहीं चल रहा है वो सही आदमी है कि नहीं, तो who am I talking to? With this, may I know what are you calling for? क्यों किया फोन? तो एक है ना कि क्यों किया, तो इसके लिए चिल्ला के क्यों किया, मैं काम कर रही थी, ऐसा नहीं. ये तो अपने हस्बैंड को बोलिए या बच्चों को बोलिए, लेकिन किसी को बोलेंगे तो मे आई नो व्हाट आर यू, व्हाई आर यू कॉलिंग फॉर, और व्हाट डू यू वांट. इसको व्हाट डू यू वांट ही कह देते हैं. एक सेकेंड. व्हाट आर यू कॉलिंग फॉर बी व्हाट डू यू वांट. Could you please tell me your name? I couldn't recognize you. Could you please introduce yourself? Now it is your turn. अभी मैं किसी को फोन करूंगी, वो मेरे को कोई एक इस टर्म से, you will use any one of the phrases and then talk to me. ठीक है? Let me see. Pratiksha. Tring, 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 tring. Pratiksha.
Hi. Good
Yes.
evening, ma'am.
No, it's fine. Now you take up my call. And you don't know who am I calling. And
Yes.
पूछना भी कि मैंने क्यों फोन किया. ठीक है? चलो, start. 1, 2, 3. Tring, 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 tring. Hello.
Hello.
Any idea?
Hello.
Hello. Yeah. Tell. Who am I? You don't know. Sakshi, I'm muting you. Oh, some background sound, so I'm muting you, dear. Okay. पूछो मैं कौन हूँ. प्रतीक्षा. प्रतीक्षा स्क्रीन पे आओ. मैं काले दीवालों से नहीं बात करती. मेरे स्टूडेंट्स पता है, शिवम को पता है मैं काले दीवारों से नहीं बात करती. स्क्रीन पे आओ. आओगे? If you want, you can come, or else अगर प्रॉब्लम है, you can leave. Means कोई जरूरत नहीं स्क्रीन पे आने की. बात करो. मुझसे कंफर्म करो कि मैं कौन बोल रही हूँ. कैसे बोलोगे?
Oh, hello.
हेलो.
मैम आपकी आवाज कट हो रही है. हेलो.
कट हो रही है. Okay, is it so? सब कोई बोलो मेरे को yes or no. मेरी आवाज कट हो
Yes.
रही है.
No, ma'am, you are audible. You are audible to me.
प्रतीक्षा, आप बहाना मार रहे हो मेरे आंसर नहीं देने के लिए. अहमद को मैं फोन लगाती हूँ. ट्रिंग 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 ट्रिंग. हेलो.
हेलो.
आप बोलो मेरे से कि आप मुझे नहीं पहचान पा रहे हो, आप अपना परिचय दो, ऐसा पूछो मेरे से.
हेलो. Where are you calling from?
Where I'm coming from? How will I come to your house?
Calling.
Okay. I'm calling from Mumbai, from Let's-Tute.
Okay. Which regarding you call me?
Why did you call me, Karo?
Why did you call me?
See, Ahmed, I got a complaint that you're not attending the classes regularly. That's why I gave you a call. Is there any reason?
No. Actually, I always attend class consistently. Actually, I think you got wrong information.
Okay. I'll check. It must be some other Ahmed. Good.
Okay.
अभी कहानी थोड़ी और बढ़ाते हैं. फिल्म टेलीफोनिक कन्वर्सेशन की. Okay. So we'll go ahead. Next. Now you have already asked whether that person is available or not. उसके बाद you are trying to speak to someone or trying to contact. So over here अभी तो ऐसा कर रहे हैं. मुझे नाम दिख रही है, नाम से मैं श्वेता सिंह and Riya. Riya, you are trying to call Shweta Singh and you are asking that whether Shweta Singh is on the line or not, and it is correct, means you are to the correct person or not. Wait once, let me see Shweta Singh is there or not, because she is not on the video. Shweta, are you there? Shweta, can you hear us? I'll change your partner. Shraddha Baranwal.
Yes, ma'am, present.
Okay, Riya will call you and she will try to ask you that you are really Shraddha or not. मतलब आप जो ठीक है वैसा टाइप का दोनों में, और आप आंसर भी करोगे.
Yes, ma'am, I will.
तो आपको रिया फोन कर रही है. ट्रिंग 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 ट्रिंग. श्रद्धा उठाओ.
Yeah. Hello.
रिया.
Hello, is it Shraddha?
Yeah, Shraddha here.
Shraddha,
Good evening, ma'am. Who are you?
I am Riya from Let's-Tute. Am I talking to Shraddha Kapoor?
No, it's Shraddha Barinwal.
Okay, sorry. I was about to call Shraddha Kapoor.
Good. That's what
Okay,
witty.
it's not right,
I
but I'm
liked it,
Shraddha.
Riya. Well done. Just to make it see, you're getting thumbs up from everywhere. आएगा आपका नंबर भी आएगा श्रद्धा कपूर से बात करने के लिए. Okay, now we are going ahead. Moving ahead.
लगाते आराम से अपना देखो.
Sound is wait just a second. It's silent. I think so. Somebody. Okay. Now the next part.
अभी चाहिए क्या? यस.
Just a second. Okay. Drishti, there was too much of background noise. That's why I have muted you. When I ask you, you unmute and talk. Okay. Now, think you were talking to someone and then that person has asked you that whether you are available or not. So, like, is this the right time to talk to you? First person will ask that much and then you are saying, yes, why not? You are ready to talk. One activity will be this. और एक होगा, आप अभी बात नहीं कर सकते, आप busy हो. दोनों situation हो सकते, right? Bhavna, you have raised your hand. Anything you want to ask?
No, ma'am.
No, आपका हाथ नीचे कर दो. ठीक है, आपका भी अभी आपको ये एक्टिविटी में लगाऊंगी. वेट.
Okay.
तो two situation, but same person will be calling. I want Meenu Goyal. Are you there to talk to us?
Yes.
Okay. Meenu, first you will make a call to Kavita Singh. Are you ready to talk to us?
Kavita,
Yes,
Wait,
ma'am.
wait. Minu, you will give a call. Okay. So first, you will give a call to Kavita, and Kavita will say, yes, I'm ready to talk. So how will you say you will agree? And कुछ तो बातें करो ताकि हमें पता चले कि आप कर रहे। तो आप पूछ रहे हो, पहले आप पूछोगे वो टाइम पे अवेलेबल है कि नहीं। जब वो बोलेगी हाँ, क्या मैं आपसे 2 बातें कर सकती हूँ, तो कर लीजिए। वो इंश्योरेंस वाला कुछ भी बेचने लगी है तो भी चलेगा। तो yes, why not? और yes, I'm absolutely free now. It's okay, please carry on. कुछ एक डायलॉग इसमें से चूज करके आप बोलोगे, ठीक है? चलो, let's start. So, Kavita, you are taking up the call. अब next time I'll share a slide when you are busy, and that will go to Dev ji. Meenu will only talk. Dev ji, will you talk to us? Dev ji, अच्छा जाने दो. First Kavita से कर लेते हैं. Kavita, you will pick up the call. Meenu is giving you a call. Tring, 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 tring.
Tring, 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 tring.
हाँ,
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Minu. How
Hi.
are you?
I'm fine. And how are you too?
अरे
हाँ,
आप लोग
I'm
दोस्त नहीं हो, जागो, दोस्त नहीं हो, आप लोग अनजान लोग हो ऐसे बात करने। Now you
Okay.
ask her whether she is free or not. Then Meenu will say हाँ मैं फ्री हूँ, आप बातें करो, ऐसा करो, चलो।
Okay. Hello, Minu ma'am. Am I talking to you only?
Yes.
नहीं, ये सेंटेंस तो मैंने दिया ही नहीं। ये क्या, मीनू मैम मैं तुम्ही से बात कर रही हूँ कि नहीं, ये तो श्रद्धा कपूर, मैं श्रद्धा कपूर से बात कर रही हूँ कि नहीं। तो आप कैसे पूछोगे कि मीनू लाइन पे है कि नहीं?
May I know? Who
May
is
I
calling?
know who is there on the other side, or who is on the line, or may I
Ma'am,
know?
actually, what you have taught now, I am not aware because recently, now only I have in
No
the class.
problem, no problem. आप वैसा पूछो कि आप ही मीनू हो, ऐसा करके पूछो, ठीक है?
Okay.
Like, am I talking to Meenu?
Am I talking to Minu?
Very good. Yes, Meenu.
I'm Minu Goyal.
Can I have a moment of your, please?
Very good. मीनू, जवाब दो, आप ही के पास आ रहा है।
नहीं, मुझे ठीक से सुनाई नहीं दिया उन्होंने क्या कहा।
तो अच्छा
Can
एक
I
सेकंड,
have a moment of?
कविता एक सेकंड रुक जाओ, उसके लिए भी मेरे पास इलाज है। एक सेकंड रुक जाओ, वो सुनाई नहीं दिया, ठीक है? जस्ट अ सेकंड, गिव मी 1 मिनट। मैंने वैसे वो पिक्चर किसी और का रखा है, लेकिन आप अपने आप को मत समझिए, लेकिन इन लोग को ही ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम होती है, इसीलिए मैंने ऐसा पिक्चर रखा ताकि आपको समझ में आए कि समझ में आपको सुनाई नहीं दिया। कोई एक डायलॉग चुन के बताइए। Little louder. You are not audible. Could you be louder? I think there's a disturbance in line. I'm sorry, I can't hear you. I beg your pardon. Could you repeat? ठीक है? Shall I
Yes, sir.
remove? हाँ, स्लाइड रिमूव करूँ कि रखूँ?
Here is ma'am.
नहीं, आपको अगर हाँ चलो, अभी मीनू आप बोलो, आपको सुनाई नहीं पड़ा वो वाली बात।
अच्छा।
Would you be louder?
Audible, could you be louder?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Now I am audible to you.
Yes, you are audible.
So I am from Let's Tute.
Okay.
Do you? Oh, sorry. 1 second.
It's fine, it's fine. Can you spare a moment? Can you spare a minute?
You have enrolled.
Kavita, you have muted yourself by chance.
Oh, call has arrived. Sorry.
Oh.
In between.
Yeah,
So,
tell me.
I am from Let's Tute. You have enrolled with us, so I am welcoming you.
You are
मेरा पोस्ट कोई और ले
class-
रहा है। कविता, आप मेरी नौकरी खतरे में डाल रहे हो। अच्छा, ओके, मीनू आंसर।
Ma'am, if you are thinking that literally, it's not.
No. I know. Carry on. Yes, Meenu, answer.
Are you coming here?
Huh? Meenu, what is this
Date
answer?
of joining is of 12th of June. So Are you able to attend the class from that day?
Minu, she's asking you that you have enrolled yourself in with Let's Tute. So, and your date of joining is 12th. 12th मत बोलो वो तो कल चला गया. 13th.
12th of June.
जून. अच्छा जून. काफी रिलैक्स्ड है. अभी कविता मीनू बोल सकती है कल किसने देखा है. फिर भी okay fine. Minu, can you attend your classes from 12th June? That is what is Kavita asking. Answer that question.
No, I did not attend my class. That was this.
नहीं वेट 12th जून अगले महीने से आप क्लास अटेंड कर सकते. सच्ची बात नहीं है, झूठी भी हो सकता है. तो ऐसा पूछ रही है. मींस कविता इज ट्राइंग टू से दैट आप क्या क्लासेस. अच्छा ठीक है कविता वो बोल रही है नहीं अटेंड कर सकती. आप क्या बोलोगे तब?
Minu, is there any problem? Are you facing any difficulties of signing in or any other issue? Could you please let me know?
No, not at all.
Then we will expect you that you'll be joining our classes, right?
Yeah.
Kavita, that's fine. Chalo, yes.
That's fine. So see you in the class.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, now a big topic. Okay, it will go on little. Now somebody will say that I am not, means I am busy now. Don't disturb me. तो इसको भी ऐसे नहीं ना बोलोगे अरे बंद करो मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है. ये वाली बात बोले तो वो मतलब आपकी नौकरी खतरे में होगा. तो उसके लिए हम लोग ये वाली और एक चीज है. एक सेकेंड आई विल जस्ट गेट बैक. Just a second. There's few entries. So this person is busy. He cannot take the call. Now somebody will call Hina and Hina is busy. And she will take any of the phrases from here. And the person who will give a call and उसको भी politely कहना है कि मैं बातें नहीं कर सकती and all. लेकिन कॉल करने वाला कौन होगा? रूपल. Pratiksha has unmuted herself. Pratiksha, you are ready to speak now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Now I'm confident.
You will give a call to Hina and Hina will say that she's busy, she won't take the call.
Hello.
Okay. Wait once.
Please repeat.
अच्छा प्रतीक्षा, आप जब हीना को कॉल करोगे हीना बोलेगी कि वो अभी बिजी है, वो आपसे बात नहीं कर सकती. ओके हीना. यस प्रतीक्षा. ट्रिंग 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 ट्रिंग.
Hello, good evening, Hina ma'am.
Yes, good evening. Who are you?
I'm Pratiksha.
Could you call me later? I am just now. I am busy, very busy. I will call you later.
Pratiksha, ask
Okay,
what
ma'am.
is she
What's the
doing?
reason?
I am busy with my cooking.
Hina
Okay,
बोल तो
ma'am.
सकते थे ना. I'm attending Ganguly ma'am's class. I was so excited that she will say that she's not picking up a call in between my class.
Okay. Sorry.
Okay, now a big topic. I have not seen Kavita, but Shweta Singh, I think so. Shweta, did you participate once also? Shweta Singh. Nehal Voda, are you all ready to participate? And Aarti Bhatta, are you ready to participate? How, if I call you, will you answer? You have to unmute yourself, Aarti Bhatta. Okay, I'm going ahead. Wait once. I'm giving you a topic. This topics. Video on foreign. Somebody will call. You all can see talking to a delivery good means to deliver goods. So somebody will come and deliver goods. किसी delivery boy को आप phone कर रहे हो, तो one person will become the caller, one person will become the receiver. Caller will first greet. Greetings will be responded. Ask for the time means you will ask that delivery person that are you free or can you take my orders and all. So that person will again answer. Purpose, ask for the items means the person who is calling वो दुकान में फोन करके पूछेगा ये आइटम है कि नहीं, वो रिस्पॉन्ड करेगा. पूछो कि कब डिलीवरी मैन वो डिलीवर करेगा. डिलीवरी मैन एड्रेस पूछेगा, फिर आप पूछोगे, रिस्पॉन्ड करोगे, डिलीवरी ले मतलब एड्रेस ले लिया ना, वो बोलेगा थैंक यू फॉर ऑर्डरिंग, आप भी बोलोगे थैंक यू. कहानी समझ में आई? प्लॉट समझ में आ गया?
Yes.
Yes. So I will choose 2 people and we all can volunteer also. पहले volunteer ही कर रहे. Riya, I know Riya will volunteer it very well. So will you do that?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Ruchi Sharma, I am seeing you for the first time. आपको एक्टिविटी समझ में आई? क्या करना पड़ेगा?
मैम मैं अभी आई हूँ, बिल्कुल अभी ज्वाइन किया है मेरे को.
Okay, okay, welcome. Just let me see who do I. भावना, हाँ भावना, will you do that?
Yes, ma'am.
अरे वाह.
Yes, ma'am.
भावना, आप काले पर्दे के पीछे क्यों हैं?
Yeah, ma'am. I can remove my kala parda and I am unveiled.
Wow, unveiled. Very good. Okay. अभी you all choose कौन बनेगा कॉलर, कौन बनेगा मतलब कौन दुकान खोलेगा and कौन ऑर्डर करेगा.
I'm the order person.
अच्छा देखो, रिया आपका दुकान खुल गया. So you are giving a call to Riya.
Okay. Tring, tring.
अच्छा.
Hello. Hello. Could I speak to the person of the McDonald's? Yeah, I am speaking. Please tell me. Okay. Sorry, ma'am. Could you share the slide, please?
Okay, yes. Ask for the time means is it the right time or can I place an order?
Yeah, sure. Okay. Yeah. Could I speak to the McDonald's member? Yeah, ma'am. I'm speaking to you. Can you do you want to order something? Yeah. Good morning, first of all, and I want to ask you that you are free. Can I give you order? If you are free.
ma'am. Yeah, sure. Please place your order.
Riya once and Bhavna you also wait. Give you order no. Can I place an order?
Okay. Can I place an order?
And
Sure, ma'am. Sure. Okay. I want one big pizza with the extra cheese. Okay, ma'am. Could you please select the category? We have veg and non-veg as well. Like in veg, we have mushroom and paneer tikka. Do you prefer to have these, or you will prefer to have chicken tikka or chicken masala? No. I'm a vegetarian and I love to eat vegetarian pizza. So you could you please make only vegetarian pizza? Sure, ma'am. I will put paneer tikka then. I will make it paneer tikka. Okay. And when will be the when it will be delivered? May I know the location, please? Yeah, sure. You will have to deliver. You will have to deliver at the South Delhi, and I will share you my location. Sure, ma'am. So according to me, I think it will take around 30 minutes. So you will be getting that pizza within 30 minutes. Okay. Thank you so much. Ma'am, it will be a cash on delivery process. You can pay over there. Yeah, I will pay on the COD. When the person will come, I will pay on that person. I will pay to that person. Sure.
two
Thank
things.
you,
Okay,
ma'am.
very good. Both of you have done your excellent role. Thank God that
Thank
I
you,
am
ma'am.
yes, see now also. So the thing is, thank God that I am like in Mumbai and all. कोई और देख नहीं लिया वरना मेरे दोनों स्टूडेंट तो बिया चोपड़ा या इसके पास तो चले ही जाते थे. Okay, Ria, not put. I will not put. I will add, or I will add the toppings of paneer. And
Okay.
Bhavna,
Yes, ma'am.
you had one mistake. I forgot that. That is a different thing. Okay, leave it. Okay, next. Next. Now, who will volunteer to participate in the next? I have two male people over here, but I have to mix and match with them. Nehal Voda, will you be comfortable to participate? और सैयद को अहमद को डालते हैं एक में नहीं okay anyone I will show the activity and see if you find it suitable. Next I think let me see. Kavita raised hand. Okay, Kavita will do that. So नहीं ये भाग जाएगा. आप देखो ये पसंद है आपके लिए ये एक्टिविटी. Call a school to say नहीं. सैयद भाग जाएगा एक मिनट.
Why you are saying like that?
स्कूल में बच्चा बीमार है. आप कहाँ से बोल?
Okay.
आप कहाँ से?
No, I got your point.
आप भाग जाओगे. आप fix an appointment with the doctor. चलो. अब कौन? Who will do what? Means the person who is calling. So you will be from the hospital or you will be from the patient side? Ahmed.
Patient side.
Patient side. Kavita, you have no choice. You are from the hospital.
Okay, ma'am. No
Okay.
issues.
Okay. So start. Kavita will pick the call because Ahmed is calling. Tring, 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 tring.
Hello, may I call?
Wait, ये पक्का हॉस्पिटल का ही कॉल उठा ही नहीं रही है. कविता उठाओ.
Hello. Hello. This is Kavita from XYZ Hospital. How can I help you?
Kavita Hospital. She'll say this is Kavita from Kavita Hospital. Okay. Yes. How can I help you? She's very correct to say that.
Actually, I need one appointment from Y doctor. How can I connect with Y doctor? How can I contact with Y doctor?
His voice is echoing.
ये अच्छा. Once again, try. Give a try, Ahmed. Start.
Okay. Can I how to connect? How to contact with Mr. X Y doctor?
For what reason, sir? Could you please elaborate for what
is the reason?
Actually, last month I got an accident, but still I have not relieved fully. That's why I want to meet Y doctor.
So I am adding your name here. You can come at 11 and you can meet the sir at the 11.
Actually, 11 o'clock. I am not. Actually, I have not time. Actually, I am trying to meet at the evening time.
So
I don't have.
Sir would be here till 2, 11 to 2. He would be here. So at what time is suitable for you?
If I have not meet today, then when I meet with sir, if I
Kavita, he is saying that if I can't meet today, then when do I meet? Which is the next appointment? Can you give him?
He sits here 3 days in a week, MTF.
Okay, the next day I want to book. I want to book his apartment. Could you process for that?
Yes, I am booking an appointment for you on Friday at 12 p.m. It would be okay for you, I think.
Yes. Okay for me. And I think Friday I will meet the doctor.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for calling.
Very good. Very good. 2-2 reaction from my side. Very good. Both of you have done a good job. Little errors in your grammar, Ahmed. Ahmed, I got a gift. I got a present. आपको accident भी वैसा मिला. Got क्या होता है? मिला. तो I got an accident बोला. Who will check this grammar?
Ma'am, I.
हाँ.
It will be I met.
I met with an accident.
An accident.
Yes. I met with an accident. अहमद गॉट इट? हाँ, आई गॉट एन एक्सीडेंट नहीं, आप हिंदी में भी बोलोगे फिर भी नहीं होगा। मतलब मुझे कभी कभार आप लोग को ये होता है कि मैम हिंदी में तो ऐसा बोला जाता है, तो अगर आप देखोगे तो हिंदी में भी ऐसा नहीं होगा।
Actually, my Hindi and English are same. Nothing is different.
Okay. And another thing, if I have not meet today, नहीं, if I can't meet today, if I can't meet today, जो ability होती है, जो कोशिश होती है, उसको आप can't में बोलोगे। If I can't meet today, then when can I meet him again, or when is the next appointment?
Okay, now I got it.
Okay. And the last activity for the day, and then I'll give information about.
And ma'am, what will be the good form of doctor will sit here? Visit.
He's available. Best part is he's available between this and this, means 2 and 5, and his days are. She said she has. I don't know, Kavita, where do you work for?
Ma'am, I am a housewife.
Yeah, but you gave such terms, MTF. So these things, I was just listening to her. Not bad. You can take up such jobs.
Oh, thank you so much, ma'am. That's my pleasure.
No, you spoke very well. You're quite fluent enough. That's good. Okay. And the last activity for the day, I'm showing you this. But this one I will prefer 2 ladies to do that. That is inviting, just a second, or 2 boys. क्योंकि यहाँ पर अगर what is your mobile number and what is your dialing number कर दिए तो मेरी प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी। Just call up your friend and invite for a party. लेकिन अगर मैं बार बार शुभम अहमद को चांस दूं तो भी प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी। 2 लड़कियां चूज करो। किसने बिल्कुल नहीं किया? दृष्टि गोयल। अच्छा प्रतीक्षा वेट, आई गेव यू टाइम, आई विल अगेन गेट बैक टू यू। वेट, देखती हूँ जिन लोग की। रुचि, अपने दोस्त को बुलाओगे खाने पे? नहीं, रुचि अभी नहीं, शी जॉइंड लेट। ओके नेहल, नो। ओके, सो प्रतीक्षा इज रेडी एंड हु एल्स? लेट इट बी अ कॉन कॉल, ठीक है? जितना लोग पार्टिसिपेट कर सके वैसा करते हैं। कॉन कॉल में सब कोई जुड़े रहेंगे, सो यू ऑल कैन ऑल पार्टिसिपेट। बट प्रतीक्षा बुला रही है, मैं अपना पैसा खर्चा नहीं करती सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग में। प्रतीक्षा अपने घर पे पार्टी बुला, आप हिना को बुला, जो जो रेडी है मैं बोलती हूँ। हिना को, शिवम को, अहमद को, रिया को, भावना को। रुचि बात नहीं करी, रुचि को हम लोग फोर्स नहीं करेंगे। मीनू भी आई थिंक आ सकती है। तो ये कौन कॉल है, सबको कॉल किया गया है, ठीक है? दृष्टि आप आओगे प्रतीक्षा जब बुलाएगी घर पे? नहीं, अच्छा ठीक है। प्रतीक्षा आप जिसको आपको मिल रहा है, यू आर ऑन मोबाइल और लैपटॉप? दृष्टि, प्रतीक्षा सॉरी, लैपटॉप, तो यू कैन सी द होल स्क्रीन, सो यू कॉल एनीवन over there, but I'll say you can leave out Shweta Vaidnathan because she is from our team. You can leave out Aarti Bhatta, she is not participating. I think so she has some problem with the mic. That's what I come. And who is not? Nehal is not participating. Whoever you want. ठीक है? Will you come? Will you come like that? ऐसा करके. And you all will ask.
This slide.
Okay. And you all will ask, others will ask like, where is the party? When are you doing? How many people are you going to call? So Riya, when I think so Riya will surely say that, aren't you following social gathering? I mean, how many people? So she'll be following that. Even Hina will be coming to that party. So might be Hina can ask, what dishes are you preparing? ऐसा मतलब जनरल वाली बात। ये इनफॉर्मल बोल रही हूँ, फॉर्मल नहीं बोल रही हूँ। ऑफिस के पार्टी पे नहीं जा रहे। आई एम शेयरिंग माई स्लाइड। So all are on con call. So you call like, hello, are you there? Are you there? Are you there? करके 3-4 को बुला लो। कविता,
Hello.
टिंग टिंग टिंग। हाँ, हेलो रिया करके ऐसा नाम लेके दे दो तो that person will talk to you.
Okay. Hello, Ria. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I'm so.
Oh, you called me a so long time.
Yes.
You call me after a long time. Wow.
You called me after a long time.
Yes. There is a very big. Wait, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello.
भावना,
Hi.
you only ask क्यों फोन क्यों किया, ऐसा बोलो.
Why are you calling me?
Why did you? Okay.
Why did you call me?
Is there
I
anything
invite.
special?
Have you any special?
Do you have
Yes.
anything special?
Sorry. Do you have anything special?
Yes. On 25 May is my birthday, so I'm inviting to all you.
Inviting you.
Inviting to you.
Oh, that's
Talking
great.
to in group ना ma'am.
हाँ, you आज उसको अभी तो उसी को बुला रहे हो ना?
Yes, yes.
That's why I'm inviting. फिर आप किसी और को फोन लगा के पूछ लो, ठीक है?
Oh, that's great. Good. But
Yeah.
but how could you follow the
भावना,
rules
भावना,
of the
सब क्वेश्चन मत पूछ लेना, दूसरों को भी पूछने दो, ठीक है? प्रतीक्षा, प्रतीक्षा अभी हिना को लगा फोन. कौन कॉल में?
Hello, Hinadi.
Hello.
Hello. How are
Hello.
you?
Fine. After for a long time, you had called to me.
Yeah, Dee. I'm calling for my birthday, inviting for my birthday.
Okay, I will come, but you have to prepare vegan food for me.
Yes. What you want? Hello?
Wait,
Anything, but I want vegan.
What?
I want special like that. I want big, she said.
Vegan food.
Vegan.
I want special food, vegan food. Vegan
Even
food.
you are vegan, Hina? You are also
Yes,
vegan?
yes.
Oh God.
Yes, vegan plus Jain.
I will arrange for you.
Shivam, what do you
Okay,
understand by
thank you.
vegan?
At what time?
At 8 p.m.
Pratiksha, wait, once I'm
Okay, ma'am.
taking a break. Shivam, what do you understand by vegan?
Yes, ma'am.
Vegan का मतलब क्या है? हिना ने बोला वो vegan है. Vegan का मतलब क्या है? हमारे विराट कोहली भी vegan है. Vegan का मतलब क्या है? Hina, tell him.
Right. Vegan matlab non-dairy products. Anything in any food we are not using any animal things, including milk, curd, cheese, butter, nothing. Ice creams, nothing. On plant-based food.
Only they don't even have the milk from
Milk
the animal
also.
also.
How?
Oh yes, Pratiksha, even I asked the same question. How?
What's your favorite dish?
No.
I wonder what you like. I mean, what's your favorite dish?
Favorite is whichever is suitable. I can adjust. And can I bring something for him from everybody from me?
Can I bring anything from my
Can I
side?
bring?
Hina,
Can I bring anything from my side?
Kavita, she's asking you. Kavita gayi kya?
Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
Yeah. So she's asking you, can she bring anything from her
Hello.
side for everyone?
Yeah, I allow you to bring anything. We can eat together, and even I want to eat all plant-based food, and this is very essential nowadays. It
क्यों
suits.
कविता दूध पियो ना चुपचाप उधर क्यों जा
Yeah, I can
okay
enjoy your food.
Okay, thank you.
We also enjoy.
Kavita, लेकिन once you can say you're most welcome, Hina, you can always bring something. We'll love it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
ठीक है. अच्छा अभी शिवम को भी बुलाओ. देखो शिवम उस दिन अवेलेबल है कि नहीं. सीधा पूछो शिवम.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, Kavita will ask. Kavita, ask. You are calling Shivam for your birthday, so ask whether he is available on that day or not. दो question.
Hello, Shivam.
Hello.
I am going to throw a party. So, are you available on 11th of May sorry, 11 May passed. 11th of June.
ने अब भी कोई और डेट बोला था 25th में, क्यों? अच्छा, उसको दूसरे दिन बुला रहे हो?
Yes, it's my birthday.
हाँ, नो, अभी 11th जून क्यों किया? एक ही दिन सबको बुलाओ ना, पैसे बचेंगे। देखो, अगर पैसे ज्यादा हैं, जस्ट नाउ आई विल शो यू द लिस्ट ऑफ लेट्यूड कोर्सेज, यू कैन बाय एनीथिंग फ्रॉम देयर। ये पैसा बचा के रखो, एक साथ एक ही पार्टी दे दो। चलो, यस शिवम, सॉरी मैम, आई एम ज्वाइनिंग इन 2 minutes. ओके, Pratiksha is joining in 2 minutes. Okay, fine. Yes. Shivam, are you free on 25th June, right?
Yes, ma'am.
When?
Ask the time, Shivam. Ask the time. How will you ask? किस टाइम पे आऊं आपके घर में, ऐसा पूछो. At what time?
At what time
Is the party?
is the party?
Kavita.
Party is from 4 to 9. So you can join whenever you feel free.
Whenever you feel free.
Whenever you feel free.
Yes. Kavita Ahmed. पहले तो अहमद से मांगो ईद की पार्टी, उसके बाद you.
Hello, Ahmed.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you celebrating Eid in this scenario?
Yes. Well, every year I celebrate Eid.
You are actually?
Every year I celebrate Eid.
Why can't I hear? Whether I have some problem? I'm not getting his audio properly. Repeat once. Repeat once.
Every year I celebrate Eid.
Every year he celebrates Eid. But are you able to celebrate it in this scenario when it is?
No. Actually, due to pandemic, I think this year is not possible to celebrate.
Yes.
So I would pray to God to that next year it would not happen. So can I eat semia from your side on Eid?
I'm not hearing properly.
Okay.
Can you
She's-
repeat again?
Yeah, sure. I'm repeating. Now I am audible for you.
Yes, now it's audible.
So I was telling that I would love to eat Eid next year.
I would love to eat Eid next year. What?
Sorry. I would love to eat a
Sivaya.
semia on Eid next year from your side.
Right. Now I'm not getting your point exactly.
See, next year, this year you cannot offer her semia.
Okay.
So next-
Okay, definitely. Next year I invite all of you and to join my Eid party.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. so
Kavita?
much.
Ha, okay. Too much of Kavita is going on, like calling everyone for the party and all. I can see Smita Shah also getting in. Smita, we will have Smita for a party or something like that. How do we do that? Who will call? Bhavna once called Smita for your party, some party. You host a party, invite Smita. Bhavna, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. You're talking to me or Bhavna Verma?
Oh, acha, there is Bhavna Verma also.
There's
I
a lot of
forgot only.
confusion in between Bhavna Sharma and Bhavna because you are calling Bhavna. That's why I'm asking.
Yeah. Another Bhavna is also there. No, Bhavna from Mathura. Bhavna from Mathura will call Smita Shah and invite her for the party. Will it be possible? Come on, call. Tring,
Yes,
tring. Smita, are you ready to participate?
Yes.
Smita.
Okay. Hello. Am I talking to Smita?
Yes.
Okay. Can I have your 2 minutes, please?
Hello.
Is it the right time to talk to you, Smita?
Yes.
Okay. Can I take your time, please? 2 minutes only. 2 minutes.
She's asking your time, Smita. Is it fine?
Smita Shah. Hi.
Please
Yes,
reply.
Bhavna, go ahead.
Yes. Are you listening to me?
Yeah,
You're
she can.
You're not replying. That's why I'm asking.
No,
repeat
she's
again and
little,
again.
she's traveling. That's why maybe she cannot hear
Okay.
you. Wait once.
So I'm not formal, but I am just planning to invite all my friends on my marriage anniversary. That is on 4th June. So you have that, you Would you please come on my party? It will be a great pleasure if you come. You all come.
Wait, Bhavana, you have to repeat. Smita, did you hear that?
Hello.
Yes, Bhavana, you have to repeat.
Smita, I'm not formal, but I'm just planning to invite all my friends. So you are one of my friends. So can you have the time if I call you, if I invite you at my residence on 4th of June at evening? Would you come?
No.
Smita, could you go? Are you there to attend her party? Are you free that time?
No.
Not possible.
Not possible.
Why?
See, lockdown is lockdown. It's lockdown. That time also maybe.
No. My son is a special child. I will not live in home.
Oh,
I'm
I
not
cannot.
getting what you're saying.
I cannot leave. Acha. Okay. No problem, ma'am. We will send you something at your house so that you can enjoy party from home itself. Thank you so much. Bhavana, she has a special child. That's why she cannot leave. Live that. Okay.
No issue.
Fine.
No issue.
Good that both participated together. And now if I come to the end, anywhere you all have any problem, Ria has given a thumbs up. I think so. See, Bhavna, you had 2 thumbs up. One is Ahmed, one is Ria. Both are ready to come to your marriage anniversary. So
thank you. And I'm inviting all the participants, those who are attending webinar this time. Okay. This is really my anniversary is on 4th June. I'm telling you.
Okay, we will wish you that.
Okay.
Ruchi is raising in hand, ma'am, I think.
Sorry.
Ruchi was raising.
I was just saying that, Ruchi, you have raised your hand. Is there anything you want to say?
She is my sister-in-law, ma'am.
Oh, so she is also ready to come, that means. Ruchi, unmute yourself. So
okay. I want to talk with Bhavna Sharma, and I want that she invite to me for a party.
Of course, Ruchi, of course. I will definitely. Why should I not call you? You are one of the member of my family.
Rather, Bhavna say, why should I call you? You only come to my house. You should come and wish me. Why should I call you for the party? आप मेरे घर के आदमी हो, आपको बुलाऊंगी क्यों? आप मेहमान थोड़ी ना हो. Okay.
No, but you are my guest, but I'm not just inviting you specially, but this time I'm saying to all, na? That's why. Otherwise, personally, I will definitely call you.
Okay, that was great participation from you people. I think so you all enjoyed. Just for my convenience, do you all have any questions? Okay, there's a thumbs up from Hina. Bhavna also gave me a thumbs up. Any questions from your side? Just a quick brush up from our Let's Do Things and all. Shivam is entering now. I'll just give you, I think so you all know, but still, if there's, this is a weekly magazine which you all get. If you all are not getting it, please click our website, www.letsdo.com. And if you click that, why it is not, it has opened another window. Wait once. I'll show you once. How does the, still taking time to open. Okay, too many magazines have opened, but still, this is our magazine. It's called Just English. Last time I was asked a lot of time that, what's the magazine? I think so you all can see a faint of it. How many of you have ever seen our magazine? Anyone? Can I get back to the screen and see how many of you have seen the magazine? Anyone who has seen our magazine anytime?
Yes, ma'am. Last week only.
No, that is what I realized, Ria. You did not see the magazine. Bhavna has seen. Hina, have you seen our magazine?
No.
You have never seen a magazine? So it is, wait, just a second. It is called Just English, and this is the 23rd edition. And the magazine looks, it was for Mother's Day. That's why especially every time I'll be doing. So it's a magazine, and lots of inputs are given over there. Rather, I forgot to share, Ria has given an excellent review of this magazine. She said she has learned new words. So you get to know idioms, phrases, new words. If you don't get it from our team members or something, you can always www.letsdo.com. Not only that, along with that, if you visit our website, you may see, just a second. You may see our YouTube channel. Our main YouTube channel has 1 million plus subscribers. But of course, you can see only for Hindi English sort of thing, English Master G. And Let's Shoot English is only for English. I'm focusing on my part, but we have many things along with that. So these are our courses. I think so it is becoming little small, or I'm not so good at technology. These are our courses. And it comes in package and all. Anyways, if you can get whatever you all want. For that, you can call. These are the courses actually. If you all have anything, if you want to call, there's a WhatsApp number. So this is the WhatsApp number. You can get anything, any query from this number. Along with the course, online courses and web courses also, like e-learning courses. So it was a great session. Keep participating. Every Thursday, I'll be showing my face and you all will be showing your face. So we'll have a great interaction. I hope I will, and I appreciate it is a hectic that Hina has been there on time. And it was Hina's request to change the time. I've taken her request. So Hina, now you're happy?
That is my request.
Thank you.
4 o'clock is little early for me.
4
o'clock is okay.
Kavita, it was 3 o'clock. From 3 I changed to 4. अभी 4 से 5 जाओगे तो problem हो जाएगी. फिर अंधेरा हो जाएगा.
Okay, we will manage, ma'am. But
Thank you so much. But please do participate, okay? Lovely time, lovely time. Thank you, Hina, Ahmad, Ruchi, Ria, Smita, Bhavna, Shivam, Sweta, Priyanka, Shweta, Meenu, Pratiksha, Shraddha. I got a chat. What is that? Thank you so much, ma'am. Shraddha has said, okay, great to hear that. And Aarti Bhatta, Pratiksha, Rupal, Kavita, all of you have made my day. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Same to you. Same to you.
Thank you.
Have a lovely weekend also. Bye-bye.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye bye.